In this video, we are going to revise the post-Gupta period. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP's exam. So let's begin. The post-Gupta period in Madhya Pradesh, 6th to 10th century CE, saw the rise of several regional dynasties that shaped the political, cultural, and administrative landscape. The information is derived from inscriptions, literary sources like Harsharit and Kadambari by Madhavat, an account of Chinese traveler Huan Song, Yongchang. Below is a structure overview. Daspur region dynasties overview. Daspur region's modern Mandsaur was ruled by various kings in the latter half of the 6th century as per inscriptions. Key rulers: Yajasena, Veer Soma, Bhaskar Verma, and Kumar Verma, a valiant ruler who challenged the Kalchuris of Mahismati, and Krishna Verma. Details: Bhaskar Verma, Kumar Verma, and Krishna Verma were victorious rulers in Daspur. Their lineage, whether oligo or another dynasty, is unclear. Weak rulers led to the invasion by Vakadagas, Kalchuris, and Matrikas, ending Gupta oligo rule by late 6th century. Parivrajik dynasty. Regions: Nagod and Jaso, principalities in Bundelkhand. Key sources: 8 inscriptions from Kho, Jabalpur, Baitul Dhumra, and Mazgawa. Key rulers: Hastin, 475 to 517 CE. First notable rulers established the dynasty around 415 CE. Inscriptions mention his ancestor Maharaja Devadaya, Prabhanjan, and Damodar. Kho copper plate inscriptions indicate he was hereditary of the Gupta Emperor Buddhagupta. Granted land Bhoga Bhumi to Sharvanta in Uchkal. Sankhoba, Hastin's son of successor, ruled the Dahar region, possibly including parts of the Atavika regions granted by Samudragupta. Administration: use Gupta's Sambut in inscriptions, influenced by Gupta political and cultural tradition. Uchkal dynasty regions adjacent to Parivrajak with the capital of Uchkal, modern Uchera, Satna district. Key source: 7 copper plate inscriptions, Bhumra Pillars inscription 14 km from Uchera. Key rulers: Odyadev, Kumar Dev, and Jaiswamin and Vyagraj, possibly defeated Samudragupta. Janath Sarvanta, contemporary of Hastin, Parivrajak rulers. Details: normally accepted Gupta sovereignty. Bhumra inscriptions come from Sarvantha's contemporaries with Hastin. Pandu Vamsa of Mekala. Regions: Amarkantak and surrounding areas, modern Anupur district. Key sources: inscriptions from Bamani, Buddhikar, Malga, and Malahar. Key rulers: Jaybala and Vatsraj. Early rulers under Gupta sovereignty: Nagawala and Bharatwala gained independence as the Gupta power declined. Surwala submitted to Vagada king Narendra Sena in the late 5th century. Details: established rule in mid 5th century. Initially Gupta feudatories, later independent. Matrak dynasties of Vallavi. Regions: Malwa, Western Madhya Pradesh. Period: mid 6th century to late 8th century. Founder: Bhattarak, a Gupta military officer. Key rulers: Shiladit first 580 CE, expanded the empire to western Malwa. Karagrah succeeded Shiladit first. Tarasena III, son of Karagrah. Dhruvasena II, Baladit, contemporary of First Vardhan, visited by Huansong. Influence in western Malwa confirmed by Nogva Ratlam inscription. Shiladit VII, last one ruler 766 CE. Details: capital Vallavi near Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Initially Gupta feudatories became independent by mid 6th century, destroyed by Arab invaders by the late 8th century. Patronized Buddhism. Vallabhi was major educational center. Cultural contributions supported Buddhist Vihar and established renowned University of Vallabh. Maukri dynasty reason. Eastern Nimar, Asirgarh fort extended to Kannauj. Key rulers Hari Varma founder. Aditya Varma, Ishwar Varma, Ishan Varma, Shar Varma and Avanti Varma. Grih Varma. Shar Varma's copper seal inscriptions from Asirgarh indicates Maukri influence in eastern Nimar. Grih Varma married Rajasri, daughter of Prabhakar Varma, and Vandhan dynasty killed Malwa king Devagupta, allied with Gauda king Sashank. Details. Kannauj was primary seat of power. Maukri rulers ended after Grihvarman's death. Harshvardhan annexed Kannauj. Vardhan Pushyabhuti dynasty. Reasons. Malwa, Bundelkhand, Mahismati. Narmada regions. Period 7th century. Key rulers Naravardhan and Pushyabhuti. Founder disputed. Prabhakar Vardhan had 3 children, Rajyavardhan, Harshvardhan and Rajasri. Rajyavardhan defeated Devagupta but was killed by Shashank. Harshvardhan ascended the throne at 16, shifted capital to Kannauj, rescued Rajasri from Vindhyachal forest with Buddhist monk Divakar Mitra help. Failed to defeat Chalukya king Pulkesin second in Battle of Narmada. Hyen Song account. Empire spanned from Himalayas to Vindhyas, Kamrup to Saurashtra. Details. Harshvardhan's rules in Madhya Pradesh is evidenced by Bandabhattas, Harshcharit and Hyen Song account. Influenced Malwa, Bundelkhand and Maheshwari. Rashtrakutas dynasty. Reason. Batul, Malwa and Eastern Nimar Asirgarh. Period 6th to 7th century, 9th to 10th century C. Key branches. Achalpur Rashtrakutas ruled Batul and Malwa. Abhimanyu, feudatory under Manpura 7th century. Ancestor Manak Devraj and Bhavishya. Danti Durga, first independent rulers, defeated Chalukyas and Gurjas. Conducted Hiranyagarbha is announced in Ujjain after defeating Gurjar king. Conquered Kanchi, Kaling, Koshal and Malwa. Krishna first. Dhruva Govind III, Amokh vs Krishna second and Indra third. Amokh vs second, Govinda fourth, Amokh vs third and Krishna third. Khotigga Karka second, Indra fourth. Krishna third defeated Parmar king Siaka and captured Ujjain, declined under weak rulers Khotigga and Indra IV, annexed by Chalukyas king Taila II. 975 C. Mannaketa Rashtrakutas Nannaraja Yudhishthira ruled Badal 690 to 735 C. Inscriptions from Divakar Khed and Multai Batul. Other rulers Durgaraj, Govindraj and Swamikraj. Key inscriptions. Undikavitka 7th century. Shamangarh, Ellora and Bhoriban, Katni, Piparia, Damo, Jetwai, Nimar. Details. Initially Gupta feudatories, later independent. Fought against Pratihas, Parmaras and Chalukyas. Contributed to Jain temples construction. Example Santinath and Jinalya by Golhandev. Shailvansha region Mahakoshal, western Madhya Pradesh. Period 8th century. Key rulers Srivardhan founder. Prithivardhan conquered Gurjar region. Saurvardhan sons conquered Pado, Bengal, Bihar and Kasi. Jayavardhan first, Srivardhan second and Jayavardhan second. Jayavardhan second donated Khadika village for Surya temple. Key sources. Ragholi copper plate inscriptions Balaghat. victory. Sources: Banabhat works Harishcharit Kadambari. Born near Chandra in the Sindhi district. It is about Banabhat. He was born near Chandra. Chandra is located in district Sindhi of Madhya Pradesh. It is come under Rampur Nagam block or tehsil. Jinsena work Harivans Purana from Vardhamanpur, Padnavar Dhar district. Bhavoti work Malati Madhav from Padmavati Pavai Gwalior. Here is revision. Post Gupta dynasties in Madhya Pradesh. 6th century to 10th century. Daspur region rulers Yajnasena, Veer Shoma, Bhaskar Varman, Kumar Varman, Krishna Varman. Kumar Varman challenged Kalchuris. Weak rulers led to invasions by Vagadag, Kalchuris and Madrakas. Gupta oligarch rule ended by late 6th century. Parivrajak dynasty origin Nagod, Joshua Bundelkhand, capital likely in Nagod. Rulers Hastin, 475 to 517 CE. Gupta feudatory granted land to Sharvantha. Sankhobha ruled Dehal, control Atvika region. Sorry for mispronunciation. Sankhobha. Source: Khoh, Jabalpur Badal, Dhumra, Majgaon inscription. Note: used Gupta Sambudh, influenced by Gupta culture. Next is Uchkal dynasty region Uchehra Shatna. Rulers Odyadev, Kumardev, Jaiswamin and Vyagraj, Jainath and Sarvanath. Key points normally under Guptas. Bhumra pillars, inscriptions, links. Sarvanathan with Hastin. Sources: 7 copper plate, Bhumra inscriptions, Panduvams of Mekala. Region: Amarkantak Anupur. Rulers: Jaybala Vatsaraj, Nagwala Bharatpal, Surbala. Key points: initially Gupta's feudatories, later independent. Surbala submitted to Vakataka Narendrasena. Sources: Bamari, Rudikar, Malhar inscription. Matrak dynasty, region Malwa, period mid 6th to late 8th century. Founder Bhattarak. Rulers: Siladit I, Kharagrah, Dharasena III, and Drupsena II. Siladit 7. Key points: capital Vallavi become independent post Gupta decline. Patronized Buddhist, Vallavi was educational hub. Sources: Nogwa Ratlam inscription. Mokri dynasty. Regions: Eastern Nimar, Asirgarh. Rulers: Harivarma, Aditya Varma, Ishwar Varma, Ishan Varma and Shar Varma, and Avanti Varma and Grih Varma. Key points: Grih Varma married Rajasri. Vardhan dynasty killed by Devgupta and Sasank. Kannauj annexed by Harshvardhan. Sources: Asirgarh copper seal inscriptions. Vardhan dynasty. Region: Malwa, Bundelkhand and Mahismati. Rulers: Narvardhan and Pushpoti, Prabhakar Vardhan and Rajyavardhan. Harshvardhan. Key points: Harshvardhan shifted capital to Kannauj, defeated Devgupta, but lost to Pulkesin II. Narmada battle. Empire spanned Himalayas to Vindhyas. Sources: Harishcharit, Huonsong account. Rashtrakuta dynasty. Region: Baitul Malwa, Eastern Mewar. Branches: Achalpur. Rulers: Abhimanyu, Dantidurga, Krishna I, Dhruv, Govinda III. Dantidurga defeated Gurjars, performed Hiranagar, Yajna in Ujjain. Krishna III captured Ujjain from Parmars. Manakyat rulers: Nandaraja, Yudhsura, Durgaganj, Govindraj and Swamikraj. Sources: Undikavatikas and Samgar, Ellora, Bahariban, Piparia, Jethwa inscription. Shalvans. Reason Mahakaushal. Rulers Srivardhan, Prithvivardhan, and Saurvardhan. Jayavardhan 1. Sarivardhan 2nd and Jayavardhan 2nd. Key points conclude Gurjar, Paudu, and Kashi. Jayavardhan 2nd donated Kadika village for Surya temple. Sources Ragholi inscriptions, literary contributions. Pandvat, Harsarit, Kadambari in Sindhi district. Jinsena Hari Harivanspur Dhar, Harivanspuram Dhar, Puram Dhar. Bhagwati Maldi Madhav Gwalior. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that these type of videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.